Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Shark Robot vacuum not charging. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first of all, check the power outlet. Unplug the charging dock. Test outlet with another device. If outlet doesn't work, try a different one or use extension cord. If the outlet work, okay. Then plug the Shark Robot vacuum and charging back in. Ensure the indicator light is on and functioning. After that, position the vacuum on its dock. Position the vacuum on the dock for proper alignment during the charging. Confirm good contact between the vacuum and dock for charging connection. And then place a dock and flat stable surface for efficient charging. Check the indicator light on the dock to verify the vacuum has begun charging. Okay. And after this, check the battery. Place into the dock line properly and charge for the specific time. Watch the dock indicator light to ensure correct charging. Turn on the vacuum, check the battery indicator. And if the battery level is low, then battery may have issue. Run the vacuum to see how long operate before recharging. Okay. If needed, buy new one from the Shark customer support or website. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.